Welcome. I want to congratulate you on taking your first steps towards financial freedom. I am here to guide you through the entire process of opening up your Amazon business, expanding it, and driving it forward to create more revenue and in turn more profits. Now, this course is created for three main groups. The first is the beginner, the person who has never sold on Amazon but wants to start selling because he understood that there is a lot of profits to be made. And that's true, but how do you do it on a tight budget? We're going to be discussing this in the course. For the intermediate seller who has problems adding more products because Amazon has just become too saturated for him to sell on. I'm going to be explaining how to add value to your product and drive customers away from your competition and to your product. And the third one, the international seller. The international seller, like myself, wants to sell on Amazon.com, but doesn't live in the USA. How do you do that? How do you use a third-party inspection group? We're going to be talking about everything in the course, and I have already created the course. I started from the second chapter, I finished it, and now I'm recording this lesson. So to better explain to you how to take this course in the most organized fashion possible, I recommend, as an intermediate seller, to just go ahead and watch it, or maybe even skip to the lessons that are more relevant to your case, because you don't need to know how to open up an Amazon account. You don't need to know how to make the Amazon account professional or PPC. You just need to know the more important things, how to add value, how to make a better listing. Now, if all that sounds like gibberish and you're in the beginners, that's okay. I recommend that you go ahead, and because these things sound so foreign to you, to watch the entire course from the beginning up until the end. And then that way you have a better bird's eye view of what awaits you. And once you have a good objective view of what is going to be in the future in the process, you're not going to overlook anything. You're going to understand the entire technique a little better. And if this sounds a bit stressful or whatever, that's okay. I'm going to be taking you step by step through the entire process. And you're going to be able to follow it as many times as you want. If you want 5 products, then go ahead and follow it 5 times. You can always come back here. And if you have questions ever, you can always leave it in the course, and I'll be happy to answer.